Lot 100 is a 2006 Bluebird Handy Bus with 103,000 miles. The body is straight. The motor sounds good. It's been running for over 40 minutes at idle. I drove it in the parking lot around the corner and it drove pretty good. It has mildew all over and needs a pressure washing. The paint is faded in the passenger area, but the paint looks good. The tires are good. The windows open and close properly. They look good. They're tinted. I did notice a little damage on the right rear turn signal area, right there. That is the only visible damage I see. I don't see any other damage. I'll show you the inside. The cab AC is cold. I could not turn on the rear AC. It wouldn't do anything. I tried. Got a manual lever to open and close the entry door. Got 103,537 miles. I'll rev it up for you. Let me rev it up for you here. Motor sounds good. It needed a jump. The batteries were dead, so I may need batteries. It will need batteries. Okay, the seats are good. The seat belts are there. It's got a child seat included. It's got the handicap lift, wheelchair lift. Okay. The floor looks good. The ceiling looks good. That's pretty much it. It's in decent shape. A little rust spot there on the door. That's minor. Alright, let me show you the engine. It's a 6.0. I was told that we're driven over here to the parking lot. Alrighty, well, good luck.